In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social links in card.co. By the end, you'll have clean, clickable social icons on your site that match your design and point people exactly where you want them to go. Start by opening your site in the card editor. This is where all your changes happen in real time, so you can see what everything looks like as you build. To add your social links, click the plus button to add a new element. From the options, choose icons and then select social. Card will drop a ready-made group of social media icons onto your page. This gives you a solid starting point without having to build anything from scratch. Next, let's connect those icons to your accounts. Click the icon group to open its settings panel. Under the links section, click Add. Choose the platform you want, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. Then paste your profile link. It's best to use the full URL with HTTPS to avoid broken links. Repeat this for each platform you actually use. Fewer, relevant links usually look cleaner and help visitors find what matters most. If you ever paste the wrong link, don't worry, you can edit or remove it right here in the same panel. Now make the icons match your brand and layout. In the style options, pick the look you prefer: colored icons for a bold, recognizable feel, outline for a modern, balanced look, or minimalist for something subtle. Adjust the size from small to large to fit your page's hierarchy. Larger icons draw more attention, while smaller ones blend in. Fine-tune the spacing between icons so they're easy to tap, especially on mobile. Then choose the alignment that fits your layout. Center for a simple hero section, left to line up with text blocks, or right if you're balancing other elements on the page. Aim for consistency with your site's fonts, colors, and overall vibe so everything feels intentional. Once everything looks good and your links are in place, it's time to publish. Publishing makes your changes live so visitors can see and use your new social icons. Remember, you can come back anytime to update links, add new platforms, or tweak the style, and then publish again to push those changes live. That's it. You've added social links in Card. Add the social icons element, link your accounts, customize the style to fit your brand, and publish. Simple, clean, and effective.